Hi, it's Jamie from Guildbrook Farm, and today we're going to cover our prepper medical supplies. It's virtually impossible to have a medical supply that covers absolutely every incident you can possibly ever think of. So when it comes to our experience, my experience level when it comes to medicine is probably slim to none. I would say I have a lot of first-hand experience when it comes to basic illnesses and injuries. I can do things such as basic sutures, removing sutures. I really would not get into anything like defibrillators or anything like that, even though I did have training in that at one point. I just don't feel comfortable with it anymore. I haven't renewed any of my certifications with that. CPR I've done in the past, haven't done any certifications with that recently. Basic first aid is what I'm trying to say, basic first responder, and then also basic everyday treatments for colds, flus, that kind of stuff. So when I look at what we're prepping for, I try to prep for the things that are most likely to occur, down to the things that are least likely to occur. And I try to touch on a little bit of everything, but the bulk of what I'm prepping for is things that are most likely to occur, and those are things such as flu, cold, any kind of illness, basically in general, basic first aid, injuries. Those are the things that are more likely to happen, and so the bulk of my medical supplies are going to be focused on that. So for someone just getting into first aid, or for someone that just wants to have something quick to throw in their vehicle, getting one of these pre-arranged kits is the way to go. This is one that was sent to us by GRM, and so this kit is actually really good for, say, throwing in your truck or your car. It has things such as a compass, glow stick, scissors for cutting bandages. This is actually really good. This is a CPR mask, a disposable CPR mask. Something that's really kind of hard to find in first aid kits is a rescue blanket, and that's why this is really good for a vehicle. Another thing that makes this really good for a vehicle is a disposable poncho. How many times have you been caught out in the rain, need a poncho if you need to hike, or if you run out of gas and have to walk alongside the road? And the fact that it's orange makes you very visible. So this is really good. Disposable gloves, bandages, regular band-aids, ice pack, and then you have an assortment of sterile bandages for different things such as eyes or wherever the injury may be, like larger pads for like knees or chest. Sting relief pads, alcohol prep pads, and antiseptic wiping pads. Broken arm, you need a sling. It has a triangular bandage in it along with some pins. Some Q-tips for applying any kind of medicines or cleaning out wounds. And then you just have your basic toolkit here, such as tweezers for pulling out splinters or ticks, some more safety pins, and a whistle, which is kind of really handy. And then you have some tape as well. So this is a 130-piece kit. It's extremely affordable. You can buy a bunch of these and just stash them around your house and your vehicles. So there you go, guys. This is my prepper medical supply overview.